session on the Precision Data Analytics channel. Tonight we're going to have a little fun with Kaggle and the Kaggle dataset in particular. We're going to have a look at the BMW Car Data Analysis set. What can we tell about this? It has various pieces of information. How many rows? How many rows are there? How many rows does it have? 10,000 rows. Very nice. 9 column, model year, price, transmission type. What else does it have? Let's see, mileage, fuel type, 65% diesel, 20, interesting. Mileage, okay. Tax, annual road tax. And engine size, okay. So, we're going to come over first of all. We're going to download this. We're going to have a little bit of fun, okay? What we're actually going to do is export metadata as croissant, okay? What we're actually going to do is we're actually going to let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for us, okay? Since I'm not paying for a ChatGPT description, we're going to let them do the heavy lifting. We're going to let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting for us. Okay, so come over here. Let's do a code. Install dependencies. And that's what we're looking for. Code. What do we want to do? New notebook. Oh, we're going to do this. Oh, they changed some stuff on me, didn't they? I don't want to do Python. I want to do R. There we go. There's our data. Get rid of this. Let's start with something simple. Alright, see if this will work. So that works good, very nice. Let's add input. Let's just start up here, BMW. Alright, close that. Let's just do this. Alright. But let's come up here and do this first of all. And this looks okay, but we're going to change it anyway, okay? Okay, good. So now what we're going to do is, we'll come over here. And let's put ChatGPT to work. No more of this wimpy, give me 3 or 4 plots, okay? Okay. So I suppose we should let's try analytic. Of course, you know the drill. If you're in the background there, be sure and stop by and say hi, okay? Yes, so we're looking for 10 plots, right? 10 plots. Now, I will say that, chat thought for 31 seconds. Okay, very good. I will say that price distribution, price by model, price versus mileage, road tax. Interesting. Okay. Let's come back up here and add scale. Interesting. Install packages, set working directory, source. Interesting. Okay. Okay, let's come over here. Then let's come over here. We're going to open it just with Notepad, okay? And here we see our plots. Let's do this then. Okay, the only thing that's going to change should be engine size, okay? But let's do this. Let's do this transform separately. Okay? And let's change this. We should change the names, but we're not. Okay, so let's come back up here then. Okay, good. So we got that. Helper top end frequency. Okay. Okay, so this is interesting. So it's setting up a default theme, okay? Not good. First plot, price. So we're setting up, right, we're setting up a our first plot. As always, by all means, stop by the chat session and say hi, okay? So that's 6. So you notice that all they're doing is assigning these plots to a variable, which means at some point we're going to go back and reprint them all. Okay, so we're not going to do this. We'll come back up here. We're going to get rid of the variable names, okay? We're going to run the plots directly, all right? All right, so we're just going to run the, I thought maybe they could do something funky like stack the plots or something. Here's plot 2 then, price by top model. This is price versus year of registration. So the price goes up as the car goes up. So this is price versus engine size, color, fuel. Not quite sure what that means, but I'm not going to worry about that. So what do you think so far? This is mileage by fuel type, hybrid, diesel. Interesting, okay. You know, I must say, none of the plots are really colorful. You know what I mean? That's interesting. Except for this one here. This is transmission share within each fuel type. Diesel, automatic. I would say that the other is automatic. What about manual? That's green. So this means that the green in the diesel and the petrol have the highest, but in electric and hybrid and other, it's automatic. Interesting. Okay, good. Okay, this must be So this was 8, right? Notice we're using a standard theme. Annual road tax versus engine size. So this is engine size in liters. This is tax. So interesting enough, of course I'm not really sure what the how the tax works in Europe. Okay, tax GPT gas per, but you can see that the highest road tax was 4 liters. Okay, interesting. Number 9. You know, one note is a lot of the plots, they're not really mileage by registration year. It'd be nice to rotate those, wouldn't it? Anyway, that's okay. Okay. You know, it looks like to me as if some of these I pasted in as you know, one note, the theme is not a very colorful theme, okay? Now using FastRep, this is price by year, faceted by transmission. Box plots. This must be price by year, faceted by transmission type. Interesting. And there you have it. There you have it, a very quick analysis of the, in under 30 minutes, you checked me to write the R code for 10 different plots, and it all pretty much ran as written. So there you have it. There's your Kaggle / ChatGPT lesson for this evening. In stream.